sunshine dies, when the sunshine dies, I hope that day never arrives. The day that the sunshine dies, I hope that day never arrives. The day that the sunshine dies, 'cause on the day that the sunshine dies, no one will survive, no one will be left alive. Like the Bill of Rights, it will be demolished. Yo, it will be completely abolished. Every single college of knowledge will be burnt to the ground. We'll see how it turn out, but the world will still turn round. I'm more than a burnout, not burnt out. But when the sun retires early from the unemployment, I'll be there to sit back and enjoy it. When the sunshine dies, when the sunshine dies, when the sunshine dies, when the sunshine dies, I hope that day never arrives. The day when the sunshine dies, I hope that day never arrives. The day when the sunshine dies. I could be speaking on a lot of shit, like the apocalypse, or falling off of cliffs after chiefing the chronic spliffs. The zombie apocalypse in this evil metropolis. There ain't no stopping this, I'm rocking this consciousness for the people, the populace, because we all are under the same star. It's all bizarre, it's all love though. It's just the revolution of the earth, overthrowing the solar system with the dopest rhythm. You know I keep kicking it, I wanna be holding women like the third world social schism, but I'm down with socialism. Yo, I'm provoking it, yo, stoking it, putting the coals in it, burning it, learning shit, perturbing it, the consciousness, burning splits, reading Kurvanagits, thoughts again, so I could be locking and delivering the oxygen before we release our own demise. That's what we devise. I don't wanna do that, I despise that, but I realign the spine with the divine design. It's intertwined with the sunshine. That's why I clutch mics and bust rhymes. Having the time of my life. Where's the love of my life? Clutching the mic, busting the rhymes while the sun shines. For a little while, this ain't no atmosphere lyric, but you still hear spirits when you're near this. But don't fear this, because I'm fearless. If you don't hear this, you hear this. I pay no adherence to the Nazis trying to corner me into the confines of conformity. I was born to be more than free, soaring free. The ornery is the Nazis in Normandy in 1943, bordering on sanity is the norm to me. But I overthrow the authority because I was the minority. No, I'm lowering the scoreboard overseas, while the casualty count keeps climbing. I keep rhyming, I'm not marooned on my ego island. Yo, they keep on climbing. The feeble-minded people blinded by the evil diamond. They see it shining, but ain't got shit on the sunshine. When the sunshine dies, when the sunshine dies, when the sunshine dies, nobody will survive. It's like the first time you ever saw a bird fly. I'm cooking it up like stir fry, let the words fly. We worldwide, not stuck at a turnstile. It's all worthwhile when I see her smile.